What's good, Hood Rich fam? Hood Rich Credit tapping in. Look, y'all, today I got a very special video for you guys today. I'm going to be talking about a banking relationship manager with a certain financial institution, Chase. Well, first of all, for the people that are beginners in the credit game that don't know what a banking relationship manager is, basically it's someone off the back end, a banking relationship manager that works at Chase, that will do the application for you on a credit card. You are obviously going to get a high credit card limit. We're talking 50K credit card limits with something like Chase, because they did the referral for you on their behalf. Now, if you were to apply for that application on your own, and let's say your credit profile, you don't have a lot of age on your profile, you haven't been banking with Chase for a long time, you don't have 20 to 30K plus credit card limits on your credit report, then obviously you're gonna get a normal credit limit. You're gonna get like a 10K, 15K sometimes maximum with a Chase credit card. That's where the banking relationship manager comes into play. Okay, with his referral, you're gonna get 50K plus credit card limits. With other institutions or with Chase, just a 50K limit. The reason why I'm bringing this up is because you guys basically want to guarantee a high limit approval for certain inventory or whatever you're going to invest in, right? And for the people that know about the relationship manager game, the reason why they're doing the application for you is because they're obviously going to benefit. They're going to charge you a percentage of what they approve you for. Like, let's say you get a 50K credit card limit, they're going to charge you 5%, 6%, whatever it is, right? But I did have a relationship manager in the past. A lot of you guys watched that video where I was dropping the relationship manager game, but he was taxing y'all. That Chase relationship manager wanted 10%, and where my profit is gonna come in. You get what I'm saying? I would have just upsold y'all 2%, but 12% off of a credit card limit approval, that's crazy, man. So I ain't really want to tax y'all like that, man. I ain't want to do y'all dirty. So I was on the hunt for a new relationship manager for a minute until I recently found one where the credit card limit approvals have been going through. A lot of my clients been getting 50K plus credit card limit approvals with Chase, and I'm gonna put them on the screen for y'all so y'all can see. Okay, these people running up a bag with Chase. We getting straight 50K limit approval, so I'm gonna bring it to light for the people that want a high credit card limit. Let's lock in. Now, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. This is why a lot of people fuck with me on this channel. This relationship manager wanted originally 8%, and I had to get him down because the downside is I'm a second middleman. I got put on through another close friend, and obviously he wants his cut too. Okay, he wants 2%, I want 2%, so that's 4%. This relationship manager wanted 8%, but I got him down at half that. Okay, because I told him I had more volume, I had a lot of clients, so he's doing 4% now. So 4%, 2%, and then me 2%. So in total, you're gonna get hit with 8% for this credit card limit approval with Chase. You know, I gotta make my bread too. I'm gonna keep it a stat with y'all. I'm sorry, man. I gotta make my bread. I gotta make my 2%. But the good thing is I hustled down homie to 4%. Okay, so I'm not entirely greedy out here. You weren't gonna get that credit card limit in the first place with the relationship manager. You get what I'm saying? But look, this is what I'm gonna do. This is how your personal credit should be structured. These are the requirements to get approved for this 50K credit card limit. I'm gonna put them on the screen right there. Let me tilt the camera a little bit. Now, some of y'all may look at these requirements and say, damn, I'm missing such and such and I can't get approved for this 50K credit card. Still tap in, right? I got a form down below. Y'all fill in the form, and then I'm gonna look over y'all credit profiles and see if y'all meet the requirements manually. And obviously, if you completely miss all these requirements, you got late payments, collections, evictions, charge-offs, whatever it is, y'all tap in with the repair program down below as well. I can get y'all locked in. Let's run up a bag in 2024. Let's get y'all credit situated, man. Something that I forgot to explain to you guys, this relationship manager is able to only pull Experian. A lot of you guys know with Chase, depending on where you're located, they might pull a different bureau, but in this case, we're only going to be pulling your Experian credit report. So we know that with Experian, you can call them up and get that inquiry swept off in 24 to 72 hours and then rerun that play. But yeah, y'all, like I said, 8% off that 50K credit card limit that you were to get approved for, right? It's going to be 4,000 removed off that credit card limit. But remember, y'all, that you can pay the minimum payment, and don't worry about interest accruing on that credit card balance, because this business credit card with Chase is going to have 0% interest for 12 months. So like I said, the form will be down below. Y'all tap in. And for the people that need the repair program, that got these negatives on their credit report, they got these late payments, collections, charge-offs, whatever it is, or the people that are trying to tap in with a mentorship class, links down below. Y'all tap in. Let's run up a bag in 2024. Y'all have a good day. The Hood Rich way. Gone.